Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can add money with our debit card on a Cash App account. So I'll be showing you a different method on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you'll have to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account, you have to tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. And as you tap on it, the next interface will be directed to banking page. Since you don't have a debit card, so then you cannot tap on add cash. Now instead of that, what you can do is you can tap on link bank, which is right at the bottom. Once again, you'll have an option to link your debit card. Now since you don't have it, then you have to tap on no card in the bottom left corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, the next interface you'll have an option as to link your bank account using your username and password. So then you have to tap on continue, and once you do that, next interface you can link your bank account, and after that you can link your bank account and then add money to your Cash App account. In case this method is not convenient for you, then what you can do is instead of that, just head back to your home screen once again, and then on the home screen you have to tap on the card icon located in the bottom left corner. As you tap on the card icon right on this page, what you can do is you can simply order a cash card, and using your cash card you'll be able to deposit funds to your Cash App account. So those were the few methods on how you can deposit money without using your debit card on your Cash App account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.